up, y'all? It's Niqueee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just recorded this kind of quick, really easy, really simple get ready with me. I just threw this wig on and did this face for y'all real quick. I'm not going anywhere fancy. I'm just going to go get a Chromebook so that I can finish my schoolwork at home. Not excited for that, but I am excited to be getting y'all this video. So before we start, I want you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button to get notified every time I post, because the more me the merrier, right? All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Couple bad bitches in my living room. They gon' ask me what I'm trying to get into. My gang hella crazy like I caught the flu.
I don't know if y'all can really see really good, but my skin is pretty irritated right now, and I have some like stuff going on, so I'm not gonna do my like face makeup for real. This is gonna be me throwing my wig on, doing what I'm gonna just do to my face just to be cute a little bit, because I'm not even really going anywhere super duper crazy. So this is literally just me vibing out a little bit. So first thing I'm gonna do is put my wig on. So this is a custom unit. And the hair is from, oh, I think it's a side part right now. Oh, that's good. With lace, okay. But this is a wig made with my hair from UniquelyMadeHairCo, and we're gonna be throwing it on with some got-to-be spray, because I have some time, but I don't have a lot of time. I'm not gonna put any makeup on this because this is HD lace, so I don't really need makeup for my skin tone with this HD lace. If you're interested in purchasing a wig from me, then I will leave my Instagram in the description box, and y'all could check out some of my work, and that's also where you can contact me, other than using my email, which is always in the description box. But you can bring your own hair, or you can use my hair. You use my hair, and if you use my hair, you actually get money off. So I'm sorry if my eyes are like weird because I'm looking behind my camera, but I'm just gonna let that sit and dry. And I guess while I let that sit a little bit, I'm gonna brush some product through my eyebrows, and I'm using an AOA studio. I'm using this brush, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the color dark brown. Oh my god, I've hit pan in this already. So I'm literally just gonna take a little bit through the tail of my brow, because girl, I'm not even going anywhere special. Alright, I don't want that to get too dry, so I'm just gonna lay it where I want it to be. Hold it there for a second. And this wig just came out the box because after I put my wigs on, I always just throw them in this box for them to collect dust, but not this one. I always put this one back on because it's my hair, and I love my hair, and I love straight hair. So I always go for this one. I did put some curls in it a long time ago. I curled it and I threw it in the box. So this hair is really not even fresh, and I really shouldn't even be showcasing it like this, but it doesn't even matter. But this hair is about a year old as well. Okay, this side dried, so I gotta spray some more. But during this quarantine, I'm really trying to like push out videos, because I've had this channel for a while, and I always get on it and get off it, get on it, get off it, but I really don't want to be doing it. Girl, this is not even late for real. And this is one of my favorite wigs to really just this is one of my favorite wigs to really just pop on, because as you can see with this lace, like, you literally don't have to do much. I mean, if you're a little bit darker than me, you might just have to put some makeup on the lace, but for me, all I have to do is throw it on. I mean, it does have a little bit of makeup on it from last time I used it. I did not even wash this wig. Don't judge me though. But I just tried to wipe as much of it off, because I can wear it without makeup. That's how thin and really transparent and HG this lace is. So yeah, I'm gonna let, alright, I'm about to put this down. So again, we're gonna wait for the little stuff I sprayed to dry. Not fully dry, but you know, get more tacky, and I'm gonna just go right back in with my eyebrow stuff. And I hate my freaking eyebrows because they're pretty thick, like in the beginning of my brow, but on the end of my brow I literally don't have any hair. So, and I'm gonna go conceal my brows so I look freaking presentable. And put this part down. This is literally me getting ready. Like, if I have to throw on a wig the day of the whatever I'm going to, or a couple minutes before whatever I'm going to, this is literally me. So this not fake, like, oh, I'm gonna actually take some foundation, because I don't want to use anything lighter, because like I said, I'm not using any foundation. So I'm gonna take this Nyx HD Concealer in the color CW07, and I'm gonna take my MAC Prolongwear Foundation, and I think this is the shade, oh, this is the shade NC45, and I'm gonna mix them because since I'm not wearing foundation all over my face, I want to get it to a really good color that matches my face and not necessarily my neck. Because you know when you when you go in with a full face of foundation, you know, match it to your neck because you putting it all over your face. But since I'm not putting it all over my face, then I just want to match it to my face. I'm not really worried about it matching to my neck. it is. And I've never gotten my eyebrows done, like groomed, waxed and stuff. So I guess I don't really like know how my eyebrows are supposed to look, I guess, quote unquote, kinda. But I know how I like them to look, but it just takes me a while to get that. But I don't wanna, I feel like just to get them to look okay, I have to take forever on them. Like, I don't really like this, but then again, I'm not really going anywhere, so I feel like I'm torn because of course I want to take my time. I just feel like alright, so I'm gonna leave that brow alone. I'm gonna go on with the other one. Which, if you have this this NYX concealer, this stuff oxidizes like crazy. At least I feel like that. Like, when I say that, I mean like in the little tube, it looks really light. In the tube, it looks really light. Oh, I forgot about my hair. In the tube, it looks really light, but when it comes out, I guess it's not really oxidizing, but y'all know what I mean. These eyebrows are not even at all. Oh my gosh. This is why I take all freaking day. Oh my god, yo. As soon as I want to film a video, I can't do my freaking eyebrows like how I want them. My eyebrows never look like this. I want y'all to know. They never look like this. Okay, so I would use my brush, but I'm gonna take my beauty blender to blend this out because I don't want it super duper noticeable that I did my brows. And I know that the sponge is going to pick up some of the product, so. And this sponge is dry, by the way. I never do this on purpose. So it's dry, but if it was up to me and I really felt like getting up, I would go wet it. Oh my god, I hate my freaking eyebrows. Alright, so now that my eyebrows are done, I guess I'm about to spray my face a little bit. Spray that and then go back in with the sponge because I'm going for a really natural look. Oh my god, my eyebrows are so uneven and I never do them like this. Like, this one is normally my favorite brow, but it's not even giving me what I want right now. So now that that's done and my hair is looking okay, I guess I'm gonna put some of that concealer over, well, the little concealer foundation mix, and just put that where my skin is red. I know I said I wasn't gonna bother even putting anything right there, but just looking at that is bothering me. And plus, I have a lot of extra on my hand, so might as well use it. but I have really sensitive skin, so that's why when I like break out, it's normally not like bumps. I'm gonna let that sit before I blend it out, but it's normally not like bumps or anything. It's like my skin gets red and forms like these patches. I don't know, like it's not like bumps like acne, like it's like texture. Like I don't know how to explain it. If you want to do your little hair like this, and you only use the Got To Be spray, be careful with using mousse, because obviously it's wet and you only use Got To Be spray, so it'll definitely lift your lace if you're not like careful. And I know you didn't put that much work into it, but I mean, baby hairs, I'm not like, I normally take my time with my baby hairs and all of that, but I'm not even going to bother with it. Girl, you know you don't want to take all day, so you just do the baby hairs near your part, and the rest, you know, you just rely on it not being seen. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So this is an elastic band. I kind of just started using this, but I don't know, I like it. So I'm gonna wrap that down with that. It's a soft elastic band. It isn't like really like hard, like it isn't really like sturdy like, yeah. Now I'm gonna just run my fingers through it. If I felt like getting up and getting my brush, then I would do that, but I don't. So, and this hair has very little shedding. So that is that. So I'm gonna spray some on the top just to put down the flyaways, and while I let that my band sit, I'm gonna spray my face again. Cause even though now I just let that dry, I feel like I let it get too dry, and it was not moving. This is what I hate. Like I freaking hate my skin. It never act normal. That is what I was born with, so I guess. And I'm gonna do a little wing today, literally just because I had more time than I thought. So I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. This is the e.l.f. one. So I'm gonna attempt to let y'all see how I do this. I don't really know how good I can show y'all. So that's my little wing. I haven't done a wing in a long time. That's my wing. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I need to get some more mascara because mine's is drying out. So if y'all know some good mascara, comment down below. Help your girl out. put some on my bottom lashes too. It's not that big of a difference because my freaking... I know I was gonna do that. I'm wait till it dry, then I'm gonna get that off. I literally always cry. Always. It never fails. And I don't know whether I want to put lashes on or not, because on a regular day I wouldn't, but since I just did a wing, I feel like I should. And some hair company sent me these lashes. I don't really know how I feel about them. Honestly, I just broke them. Trying to be fast. So I'm not going to put these on because I just ruined them. Girl, if you don't know how I put on lashes, do this, because I don't know how to put on lashes either. For real. I'm about to just go put on some lip gloss, girl, because... And this glue is still not dry. I was supposed to put on a thin layer, but I accidentally put on kind of a thick layer. And girl, I really need to clean my lashes. Like sis, at least peel the glue off. I ain't even do that. I guess I'll do that right now while this is drying. But I be scared to really mess with these lashes because these ones was cheap. So I don't want to be messing with them. And they sit there and break like the ones that I just broke. My tweezers is freaking downstairs, so I'm not even going to use tweezers to put these drawers on. I'm about to just... I need to wash these drawers. It really got makeup all over them. But, well. And I'm going to just grab the lash by the middle. And I'm going to put where I'm grabbing the lash to the middle of my eye. On kind of upper angle so that I like get it behind my lashes. Then I go on it. And boom. So then let me hurry up and put these other ones on. I feel like they look different right now. Do they look different? They do look different. This one is too far over. Girl, my lashes look different. If y'all got a good pair of lashes, don't keep using them and not taking the glue off. Because once you finally need to go take the glue off, girl, them lashes is not gonna even like you like that. Because you didn't let them get so dirty. But I'm not judging because that's what I be doing. And I just started using lashes, so it don't even matter, girl. It's not that deep. So now let's try this again. That looks better. So now we got them on a little bit more even this time. I feel like I still kind of did it uneven, but it don't even matter to me at this point. And boom, I'm gonna put some more mascara on because it don't look like I got no bottom lashes. I'm not sure if I'll take this little wrap off. Dang, I can't even take the wrap off. boom. There you have your little look. I normally use a comb on my edges, but I can't even find my comb that I really want to use. This hair is really soft, and you know, like I said, I have for a year now, and you know, it obviously holds a curl real good. These curls been in for a while, and they just been sitting in the box. So I might put some highlight on, and I'm gonna just put a little bit of highlight on. I'm gonna actually use a concealer brush because I just want to put it on a little bit under my eyebrow. I don't really get like crazy creasing in my eyelids, so that's why I really didn't set them. But I have like pretty dry skin, so I really don't need to do stuff like that. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, yeah, so I just fixed my mascara, and thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of y'all, and I just wanted to remind y'all before y'all leave, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that bell notification button to get notified every time I post, because the more me the merrier, right? Thank you guys for watching once again, and bye.